Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming essentials so troubleshooting works. Check that Wi-Fi or mobile data connects by loading a web page, because play errors often reflect network issues. Once connected, restart the device to clear transient faults and make sure you have at least 100 MB free low storage blocks updates. Also verify your date and time are correct and that the Google account is signed in. These small settings often cause authentication and sync failures. Next, you'll act on the Play Store itself. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store. Clear cache first, because cached metadata can become corrupted, then clear data if problems persist. Force stop the Play Store and Google Play services to reset their running state. After that, reopen Play Store so processes restart cleanly. If the issue began after an update, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to the factory version. This eliminates regressions introduced by a bad update. Finally, perform deeper fixes. Remove your Google account and re-add it because re-authenticating clears token issues that block downloads. Then check for Android system updates and install them, since Play Store depends on system components. If problems persist, consider a factory reset as the last resort, backup media and app data first. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: test another Google account or another device. Isolating account versus device problems narrows the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.